Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my honey jerk chicken wings. So let's cook. So here I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, and what you want to do is just drizzle some oil on top. And this is about a tablespoonful of oil. Next you want to add in a teaspoonful of garlic powder and a teaspoonful of onion powder. And next I'm going to add in some browning, and you just want to drizzle that over. And that's about a teaspoon and a half. Here I have some walkerswood jerk seasoning, and you just want to spoon in about 3 heaping teaspoons. I'm just going to crank in just a little bit of salt. You can also get this in mild if you don't like it too spicy. Next I'm just going to mix my seasoning up inside of my chicken. Now that that's done, I'm just going to let this marinate for about 2 hours in the refrigerator. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours, so I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken on my baking sheet. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. So I have my baking tray here, and I've sprayed it down with some oil spray just to make sure our chicken don't stick. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and put our chicken wings in our oven for about 20 minutes or until the top starts to brown. Okay guys, so here's our chicken wings. So now what you want to do is go ahead and flip all of these chickens over, and you want to put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. While we wait on our chicken to finish cooking, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make my honey sauce. So I have a 1/4 cup of honey here, and I'm just going to add just a ½ teaspoon or so of browning and about a teaspoon of your jerk mix. And you just want to mix that up like this. You can give it a taste to see if you want to add more of your jerk seasoning, depending on how spicy you want it. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take my chicken out, and I'm going to baste my chicken with this honey sauce. Okay guys, so I've put all my chicken inside of a bowl, and I'm just going to go in and just drizzle my sauce over top like this. You can just mix it all together like this. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put this back on my racks and put it in the oven for another 20 minutes. Alright, so our chicken is all done, and as you can see, they're still nice and juicy. They're cooked throughout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!